Your smartphone holds all your personal data like credit cards, photos, chats, emails, and online history. Now you can put award-winning security there too. The user interface of Avira Antivirus Security for Android gives you a complete security status overview and is elegant and easy to use. With Avira Free Antivirus for Android, you're getting mobile security that consistently outperforms in third-party tests. And with our Pro version, you can reach a new security level. Our software runs silently behind the scenes without draining your device's resources and extending your battery's lifespan. With so much of your life on your mobile device, isn't it time you downloaded your free Avira Antivirus Security for Android? It's never been easier to get award-winning security in the palm of your hand.
Everyone has heard of Kaspersky Internet Security for Android, but how exactly does it protect your devices in ways you'd think and ways you can't even imagine? There is no chance for a virus to hide in an app that you download. It's real-time antivirus protection, similar to what you're used to for your home computer. This all-in-one app protects your Android devices and the personal data stored on them from mobile malware, internet threats, theft and loss. Tap the button below to download the app.